Riverside Renovation appeared to be a successful, ordinary construction company. Blue Line Building Supply submitted invoice 2458 for $8,460. The first payment was legitimate. A second version of the same invoice entered the system. Because the vendor records did not match exactly, the duplicate payment warning failed. The owner approved a long payment list without examining every supporting document. The second $8,460 payment left the bank. The bank and accounting system matched perfectly, but the payment was still wrong. Weeks later, Riverside Renovation began experiencing unexplained cash pressure. A bookkeeper began tracing the cash movement back to its source. Both payments led back to the same invoice. The duplicate payment left 5 warning signs: duplicate vendor records, matching invoice numbers, identical payment amounts, one-person approval, and no post-payment review. Basic payment controls would have caught the duplicate before the money left the bank. The same weakness creates an opportunity for bookkeeping and accounts payable firms. Riverside Renovation's money did not disappear. A weak process gave it away. When financial controls fail, an ordinary invoice can become illegal overhead.